After a hearing this weekend, American Amanda Knox is waiting to hear whether she'll have to stand trial for the murder of her roommate in Italy. CBS News correspondent Pizzey is in Rome this morning. Alan, good morning.
Good morning, Russ. Well, a closed-door session was the last one before Amanda Knox and her two co-accused are committed for trial on a charge of murder. And in an emotional opening statement, Knox, speaking in English, denied the charges and accused Italian police of hitting her during interrogation.
The 21-year-old student, her Italian boyfriend, and a small-time drug dealer are accused of killing British student Meredith Kircher in what prosecutors called a satanic rite. Knox told the closed court hearing, "Meredith was my friend. I had no reason to kill her." Lawyers for the defense said the prosecution laid out a scenario like from some crime novel. They claim Knox's boyfriend, Rafael Solecito, held Kircher from behind. Co-accused Rudy Herman Guede held the victim's arms and tried to have sex with her while Knox wielded a knife. Meredith Kircher died from multiple stab wounds to her neck. Knox's defense lawyers call the case a presumed scenario with no hard evidence that would justify a trial. Guede, who is of Ivory Coast origins, admits being in the apartment at the time of the killing, but says someone else did it. He reportedly fears Knox and Solecito will try to cast all the blame on him. He was granted a separate fast-track trial, which could result in a lighter sentence. Prosecutors have asked that he get life, the stiffest possible sentence in Italy. All three deny any wrongdoing. Knox has given differing versions of the event. At one point, she said she was in the apartment and covered her ears to block out Kircher's screams, and alternately claimed she spent the night with Solecito.
There has been criticism over how long this process is taking. In Italy, suspects can be held for up to a year before going to trial. A ruling on the indictments is expected by the end of this month. Russ?
Alan, help us out here. This proceeding was not held in a court. Why?
That's right, Russ. They put it in a place where they could get the suspects in and out without them being seen by the press, because you can imagine it's attracted immense attention here in Italy from the British press and from the American press. And also, there are a lot of tourists in Perugia because, ironically, it's the Euro Chocolate Festival, and they didn't want to disrupt the tourists either.